Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing with the Scalloped Blooms Bundle this week, pairing it with the Bloom Boutique Designer Series paper. I am totally in love with this paper. So we've got two different cards today. Same idea, different look. This is on the Golden Glow. And as I said before, I didn't actually buy all of the ink. I didn't buy the Peaceful Pine and I didn't buy the Golden Glow because I don't use those colors a lot. But for these videos, I wanted to showcase the entire line, including the new in colors. So I used crushed curry for the thank you on this one. It is a little more yellow than the Golden Glow paper, but really it doesn't show a lot. And I use the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels on this one just to pick up the glitter in, or the sparkle in the paper. And these are retired, but for the card we're making today, I'm going to use the in color dots. So this is also a use up your designer series paper kind of project. So when I cut my paper down to 5 1/4 by 4, I end up with 1 1/2 by 4 inch strips. So I've used those on the card front to create this card. So this is Hydrangea Hue, and I have these because the margins are slightly larger between than they normally are. I'm just going to kind of preset them up, and then I can put them down knowing where where I need to be. So I know where this one needs to go based on where the one on the bottom is. So just give it a good depth at the top to match the bottom. And then we're going to put the middle piece in and we're going to line that up. The paper isn't necessarily directional for this paper, but sometimes you put it down and you go, no, it's the wrong way up. So I used the scallop dies to cut out the flower, and I'm going to use my Hydrangea Hue. See, I still need to learn how to open those up. I want to go this way and I need to go this way. So we're going to use the thank you from the Scalloped Blooms set. We're just going to ink that up really well and just stamp it down right in the middle like that. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to close that up. I don't know a more elegant way to close that up other than put the base on the piece and flip it back over. So still getting used to the new style of ink pads. I don't have a preference really. These ones absolutely are easier to open, and I have arthritis in my hands, so it does make it slightly easier to open them than pushing or pulling with my hands, just opening it up. So there is that advantage. And I am still using the Stampin' Up! Stampin' Store for my ink pads. They just stick out a little bit further. But if you don't have storage, the nice thing about these ones is they all magnet together. So you're not going to have the stamps or the ink pads all kind of slipping over and falling over and all of that, because they do magnet together. So that's an advantage of the new style ink pad as well. So we're just going to pop this down. And I have purposely put this at a little bit of an angle up, so the thank you kind of goes up. It just seems happier that way. Call me silly, but a thank you rather than a thank you. So I don't know. Anyway, that's my thoughts. So I'm just going to grab some of these dots, and I have a feeling I'm going to be reordering these multiple times throughout this throughout the 2 years that these colors are going to be available. So this is our Golden Glow version, and then our Hydrangea Hue version. Super simple cards, but really cute and effective. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.